Have you ever wanted to start a dropshipping business but didn't know where to begin? I've been there, spending hours researching suppliers, sorting through endless products, and worrying about managing inventory. It felt impossible, like trying to put together a puzzle without all the pieces. Then I found Doba, and honestly, it felt like someone handed me a shortcut I've been searching for. So today, I'll walk you through exactly how to get started, step by step using Doba. By the end of this video, you will feel confident and ready to start your own dropshipping business. Let's start with the basics. Doba is an all-in-one dropshipping platform that connects you with over 700,000 pre-vetted products from trusted suppliers. What makes Doba different is that it puts everything in one place. No more jumping between suppliers, worrying about product quality, or manually tracking inventory. It's built to save you time and simplify the process, so you can focus on what really matters: growing your business. Doba simplifies the entire process, and here's how. First, you browse trending products, then you sync them to your store with just one click. And finally, Doba handles inventory, updates, and order fulfillment for you. It's like having a business partner who takes care of all the heavy lifting so you can focus on marketing, customer engaging, and scaling your store. Step 1 is setting up your account. This part is super easy. Head to Doba's website and sign up. The onboarding process walks you through everything step by step. During setup, you will choose your niche, whatever it's beauty, decor, fitness, or something else entirely. Doba has products for every single category. Don't worry if you're not 100% sure what your niche is yet, you can always explore different options later. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of it as your control center. You can browse trending products, filter by US-based suppliers, and explore categories that align with your brand. The dashboard is intuitive and easy to navigate, even if you're a complete beginner. Now, let's find some products to sell. Say you're interested in home decor. Simply type that into the search bar and Doba will show you hundreds of options. And here's a pro tip: use filters to save time and find the best products. My personal favorites are the high profit margin filter. These ensure you're offering items your customers will love and that will bring in good revenue for your business. When you click on a product, Doba provides all the details you need: the cost, the retail price, and even your potential profit margin. This level of transparency is invaluable. It helps you make informed decisions about what worth selling. This process used to take me hours. I would spend so much time researching suppliers, calculating costs, and checking reviews. Now with Doba, it takes minutes. And the best part, I can use that extra time to focus on other areas of my business or even just spend more time with my family. Once you've selected your products, it's time to add them to your store. This part is as easy as clicking a button. With Doba, there's no need for spreadsheets, manual uploads, or complicated coding. Just find the products you want, click sync, and it's live on your store. Doba integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, making the whole process smooth and straightforward. You'll see your products live in your store within seconds. This is where your store really starts to come to life. It's such a satisfying moment to see everything coming together. Now let's talk about managing orders and inventory. This is area where many dropshippers struggle, but Doba takes care of it for you. When the customer places an order, Doba automatically notifies the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. And get this, inventory updates are automatic too. If a product goes out of stock, Doba syncs that information with your store in real time. You don't have to worry about overselling or disappointing your customers. This level of automation is a game changer. It means I can manage my store from anywhere, whether I'm at home or on the go or even taking a break. Everything runs smoothly in the background, so I don't feel tied up to my desk. Now that you know all the basics, here are a few tips to help you succeed in dropshipping. Stay consistent. Update your store regularly with fresh trending products to keep your customers engaged. And focus on customer service. Fast shipping and clear communication go a long way in building trust and loyalty. Use Doba's analytics tools. These help you track sales, identify bestsellers, and optimize your inventory. And don't forget about marketing. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok are great showcasing your product and reaching new customers. Create eye-catching content, share customer reviews, and stay active on social media to build your brand. What I love most about Doba is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need any technical skills or prior experience to get started. Everything is streamlined, from finding products to managing orders. For someone like me, juggling work, kids, and everything else, it's a huge relief to have a platform that saves time and energy. If you've been hesitating to start your drop shipping business, let this be your sign. Take that first step. With Doba, you're not just starting a business, you're setting yourself up for success. Explore the platform and see just how easy it can be to launch your store. You've got this. Drop shipping doesn't have to be hard when you have the right tools by your side. Thanks for joining me on this step-by-step guide. Remember, every successful business starts with a single step, and Doba is here to guide you at every step of the way. I can't wait to see what you will create.